Hey there, welcome to our Zipy installation guide. Zipy effortlessly integrates with all your JavaScript frameworks like the one on my screen right now. Today's video is on how to set up Zipy using script tag in your JS project. You can use this tutorial to install Zipy in React, Vue, Angular, Ember, and iframe. So get ready to breeze through the 2-minute setup process as I walk you through it step by step. You can also visit docs.zipy.ai to know in detail how to install Zipy using different methods. To install Zipy using script tag in your project, you first need to go to the Install SDK page and click on the Script tab. Then you just need to copy the script and paste it in the head section in your index.html file of your project. If you're installing in a multi-page application, then you need to paste it in the head section of all your pages. After pasting the script in your head tag, you have to run your project and create a session by doing some activity. Then, within a minute, you'll be able to see your user sessions here. If you don't see it, you can contact our support by clicking on the icon which is there at the bottom right of your screen. And a customer support team will help you within a few hours. To wrap it up, we trust this tutorial has effectively guided you through the installation process of Zipy within your JS applications. With Zipy integrated in your app, capturing user sessions becomes easy and it will give you a front row seat to all your user activity. You can watch your users' live session in real time to offer support, catch errors, and debug critical issues. We can't wait to see how you put Zipy to work, from understanding user behavior to fine-tuning your app for peak performance. The sky's the limit.